Mokgwebo ke mofokedi wa mantwana finyela jwale ke o tsa di hetsa mo a go tshwara la ipona ke se ka e fosa ke e fedisa e ba Koso who wait till the matter and will no Sarah it's a pasaka more than way. It's not a simple discipline.
Where is this place?
He's on a sinner. High so man in the suit.
Our father says that home in the suit.
You do it and you are men that are
The chairs are drying up.
You know how when I got to go matter.
Our father says the chairs were pulling electricity from here because the plugs were plugged from here. Now they decided to stand for their own. Our father says the circuits are dying slowly and slowly. Our mother said to me, my child, when I put you in this position, you must travel throughout Lesotho. Talk to them nicely. Bring them back. Bring them back. Our father says even now they are coming back. Our father says you will make sure that they come back with their shoulders up. Travel for them so that they come back to Rama with their shoulders up. He says our mother has ordained us and we look beautiful. Now you must know that's where politics starts. See how beautiful we are. Our father has been given the whole of Lesotho. The nation of Lesotho. Even our prime minister knows. We talked and our prime minister said, yes, go. Don't disappoint me when you get there. Our father is asking the relatives. So they help defense together. Mother must never cry over the position he has put us. Our father says he doesn't know the Lesotho people know. Now that we have been put in a position and we are so beautiful, then our mother starts crying because of our doing. Now she starts realizing I didn't look carefully. Our father is asking. You spoken very well. Our father comes to give now the instructions. Our father is asking, dear mothers and fathers, we are asking for your support. Our father is asking for your support. To support them. This church will grow big time. It will grow big time. Now we must be strong and be the real strength to our mother. Even our mothers. They've been supporting us and they are still supporting us. Now that situation is like this. Now we start seeing people that we don't know. Even the situation at times can be confusing. Our father sometimes notices at home. The boys that they are campaigning for to win the election. As soon as they win elections and they become ministers, even your phone, they don't even take your calls. Even before
botona ba fela
The position of the minister comes to an end.
se re tshwarala ile ka ofela ka mane ka bogolo
Now we go and queue together at the border gate.
ha sa sebedisa passport tse khupedi
He doesn't use that diplomatic passport anymore.
ke motlatlo o dumedisa jwale
Now he starts to greet us.
nna eno ya ba dumedisa ba ba khweba ka le mona o le mpona o rwana go dumedisa ena la
One
bana
of them tried to greet me, Baba said to him,
Botona
"You
ba
were a minister, you were not.
bo fedile ba o tlo dumedisa
Now that you are no longer a minister, you want to come and greet."
jwale ke tla go pasala ka dinako tsohle
Our
se
father keeps asking all the time.
ha re tsebe go mollo o harama
We must know that the fire is burning at Rama.
ke bua mantswe a mabedi a botetele
But our father will like to have last words.
ntate mokgwema ntate wa ka ha le mabopane mane ya mesedina
His father, Baba Mukwema,
ntate magago a mofa gore a ka be le mantswe jwale ka ga ke fuwe mantswe
when Baba Marao gave him to have few words,
a re lona basotho bana ba ka ba lesotho
Baba Mukwema said, "You, my children from Lesotho,
ke kopa gore le sebe la gaola thapo e tloa lesotho e tlang ka
I'm asking you not to ever cut the rope that comes from Lesotho.
batho ba ne ba le teng ba tla gopola taba eo
Those who were there will remember this."
a re ke a re kopa bana ba
He said, "I'm asking you, my children."
jwale batho ba tlisitse ba e gaola re ba ba kopanya ba
Now
golo
people were busy cutting it, but Baba says they will bring them together.
ya o tetela
One, the last one.
ka 1980 ke ne ke le maga ke ne ke le mo 16 ke dutse maga
In the year of 1980, our father was only 16 years old and only sitting up there.
ntate masango a le mona a na tolokelwa ke ntate matsoso
When Baba Masango was standing there and the interpreter for the day was Baba
ba ne ba
Masango,
le teng ba tla gopola taba
those who were there will remember them.
a re ke go tsamaya bana ba ka
He said, "I'm going to leave you, my children."
a sheba ka bomme yone ba eketse
He looked towards our mothers.
a re bontate bana bo le ba bonang mo
He said, the fathers that you see here on,
le eno a ntsang tolokela
now no, even this one who's interpreting,
a re ga ke feta go tsamaya
as soon as I leave,
ba tlo tsekisana ka tshebetso ena
they will start fighting
le
over.
a e gopola taba eo
Now, do you remember that?
a re ba tlo e tsekisana
He said they are going to fight over it.
a re fela lona bomme le gane ka yone
But he said, our mothers, you must refuse about it.
ne ke le mane
Our father was sitting.
go belelo ntate wa gona o tsamaye ka 25 tate magago mme o setse le yona ke le yona
Our father, Baba Marao,
le yona e ntse go la fela ke
can you see how
ke mantswe ana mo profeta a re le gane ka yona
those words of the prophet when he said you must refuse with it?
kgotso nka bua go feta mo gobane ke lesotho
Our father will talk longer because he sued.
ke le ka karinyathete sitala mo sepedi monna ga ke a tlhoke go mantsha pele